own 10% of the 531 companies listed on the Pakistan Stock Exchange bracket start PSX bracket close offer formal training to their employees full stop. These companies have a collective annual turnover of over 8 trillion full stop. It would not take much to calculate the impact on productivity if they were to invest in their employees' learning and development opportunities full stop. Learning and development helps employees identify their strengths, unlocks thinking potential, and opens lines of communication full stop. Employees can usually benefit from simply being heard as they sit for conversations with a workplace coach or mentor full stop. Typical questions that a workplace coach may ask are: what skills can help you do your job better? How can you develop these skills? And what are your priorities for career growth? Ongoing reflection with a mentor or coach not only motivates but can also help align the employee with the company's goals and strategy, as well as drive individual career growth full stop. Most employees strive for significance, to be seen and valued for their work full stop. An employer's motivation to value employees comes from what they can bring to the table in terms of teamwork, capability, efficiency and productivity full stop. Often, employees complain about churning the same wheel, but lots can change if they take action to drive innovation within their teams full stop. A report on successful labor development strategy by Nick, points out key drive innovation and elements of employee development that are beneficial to companies full stop. Besides building individual capabilities and retaining talent, companies create their own brand ambassadors full stop. This results in a value based culture where employees embody the company's population and company's reputation and competitive advantage full stop. Brand ambassadors are not just driven by data analysis on productivity, but also the perceived significance of their work, loyalty to the company and ownership of their role full stop. To be successful, L&D opportunities need to incorporate programs that are sustainable full stop, from in-person, on the job training and collaboration with colleagues to coaching and mentoring, these programs can be delivered online full stop. Online training is often viewed with doubt, as it has been historically considered inferior to in-person interaction, full stop. However, studies have shown that online training is a safer place, giving opportunities for self-expression and individual work to employees who may not be comfortable speaking in public or in a face-to-face setup. Those with full schedules during the day are more receptive to online sessions that they can attend sitting at their desk or at home, rather than clearing their calendar for a physical meetup. Full stop. Online learning is often also easier to monitor if followed by assessments that gauge learning impact and key takeaways. Full stop. In fact, online training programs are all the more necessary in Pakistan to empower professionals to use technology and digital tools with greater ease in this fast evolving era of learning management system. Full stop. 91% of Fortune 500 companies offer mentoring and coaching programs. Full stop. This correlation between investment in employee development and the company's success is not coincidental. Full stop. An increasing number of global companies are looking towards investment in professional development, particularly reskilling and coaching as a way of increasing productivity. Full stop. Not only does learning and development target goals, it also ensures a continuous learning culture so that employees are able to respond to the fast changing work and external environment. Full stop. Paragraph. While the suggested changes in the pension rules described as parameter reforms by Hassan, Islamabad-based development consultant, are important short-term measures to contain the pension expenditure, they cannot be a substitute for contributory pension schemes. Full stop. The proposed reforms to reduce retirement age and cut pension benefits are imperative. Full stop. But both the federal government and provinces will have to ultimately move towards contributory pension models because the present pension system has become unsustainable, argued an economist with the Pakistan Institute of